telling them. To be honest, not really telling them.
Oh, okay. Got you. That means I'm fine. I'm sorry.
No, it's just that.
You had a colorful past and you just don't want to speak about it.
Oh, so she look at me as
So
we
we
said.
really are finished with my
Yeah.
yeah, so things say. It's just like I say, you have a colorful past, and you
Yes,
just want to
sir.
talk about it. I understand.
We used to do tracks from primary school to high school.
Oh, you're an athlete. Cool.
Very good one too. It's a scholarship and to pay to represent the
So that cool is at a different level. So yeah, oh, you're not cool. Cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you're an athlete. Cool.
No, you still have cool.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. Exactly.
Okay, okay. Oh, you're an athlete. Cool.
That's too deep.
Yeah. You know the how cool?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, you're an athlete. Cool.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Oh.
A very good one too. It's a scholarship and to pay to represent Jamaica, but that never happened.
What happened?
Life. Real life happened. One lady did operate a shop in the community when I grew up and then decided to run it start and tonight. And when she refused, we put him on for her.
What? Are you serious?
And make sure that never happen again.
Make sure that you
Never happen again.
From this what you start with, you are telling the story now, but you're telling the story looking in, and you go to a close up on your face, and we hear your voice. But when you cut away, you're standing in front of him, and he's standing here by himself, ashamed. And when you go to open his eye and realize, say, oh shit, I stand up by myself. Then the phone ring and his body just goes, and then go back in the chair. And from the argument to the man coming, you can't get it. So that's why you hear it. So this now is.
I'm done with that enough.
Yeah, but this.
No.
Same quality.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Fun here.
You know, it's sort of.
That's a pretty media right now.
Yeah.
The all-star beat.
They want to kill me again.
The one with the-
You ungrateful! Yeah, I'm grateful.
Someone's
Yeah,
here.
kill a brother. Because them sister pretty around.
Yeah, that's some, but
This trip.
some of them might be even bad.
Yeah.
No man, it's a pre.
Some of them does a pick up and say, this reach pretty because when she have her doctor man and whatever.
Which is like, we want it divided. We want some people to
Yeah,
say
yeah.
and some people to
Yeah,
say.
man, make them cuss, man.
Because
Yeah, it's me like
even
comment
when you
section
are,
with them,
even
man.
when you are say,
They
they
never
never
do.
burn you out when the scene, the last scene when we were together.
Mm.
People are say, oh,
That's
some
two
forget
sides,
to
brother.
have the doctor,
And
the
two
member,
sides.
the member.
Plus, them are say, them are talking about the fact that she don't react to it.
Right, then I'm
You,
a team bringing a team quick.
Yeah, man.
And
So-
everyone knows I say, look at that, because me and her solid this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I want the whole of this first part between the tone, I want it to be really light spirited and friendly. But again, the therapist knows, she realizes exactly you have to do how nice to be to you to get you up on a certain level to get results. And this was like getting a part of your out where she realized that you have some things about you. The way you talk, the way you always sound upset when you're on your tone of voice, you say, something like she never do to you now. But you know she not want big, she want to make you let it out. So that's why when you start telling the story, when you say, you're still running up from primary school to it's not directly at her, it's like you just down back in the
Yeah,
same
like,
and telling the story, right?
Mm.
So it's literally a release.
Mm.
You've never said it before like this, and you say it now because you feel a safe space.
You know everything. You're saying all this already.
Change.
Change, man.
Where
It's a darkness, man.
Change.
No. I just want shots on white.
And then,
No,
then.
put on the shots on the white tee.
Yes, man, change.
You know why not darkness, you know start as darkness. It's why the light spirited beauty and the minutes of experience.
Yeah, man, change, man.
I'm a shot to you, but
Yeah, come out here, nurse. Never say no, so she come today, so.
yeah, that's why we want to dress up in a pants and my class.
That's scheduled.
No, my class, man.
No, but you can't even shots in your clocks. I shall pull off your clocks and she'll say, shut down.
Okay, like.
You get all dressed up for.
And that's why we have on pants. Because remember, say,
I'm long, look how I'm long.
me and them work so we can put on my pants.
You know what? Imagine
Quick,
the
you
nurse
know,
come
say
see
it
you-
almost touch the
Imagine the
ceiling.
nurse come see you all dressed up like this and beside
Quick.
you.
Then I say, if you come on, what you want me to do?
Exercise.
Tell him, man. Alright, I'm late, man. Alright, up, my bro. I'm too know for the things on the sales, man. Hold it.
So, I just saw we trying to get the shell down. Actually, when you step up here, say it's a shell down, right?
Yeah.
So we care about what do we say? What would that?
Catch this spot.
Everything you mumble, you know that?
Oh?
Everything you mumble. You
No. Study.
are grumble.
Study.
Alright,
Book.
quiet. Step back a little. Rolling. Action.
Sheldon.
Nice. Bring your kiss up, now get up.
Oh, that's unusual.
Alright. Let's give me a little sound there. When you say, oh that Terry.
Oh, that.
No, you said the ooh that's already.
Yeah.
So then you hear the shell and then you say, Terry.
Oh, Terry.
Yeah. The grill in the lock.
Grill no lock, you know. I don't lock either. That's coming.
Rolling. Action.
Oh, that. Terry. The grill no lock, you know. Just pull it on and the door no lock either. That's coming.
Cut.
You want me to you?
Come in, Terry.
Tio.
Alright, so push the door. Stop right here, so. Look down upon him. Are we going somewhere? That's it, my boy Basil thing. Yeah.
Man, I'll spin back around the chair to her.
Rolling. Action.
You're going somewhere. Are you dressed up?
Cut. Nice. And I said this.
No.
Easy beats this, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to.
Rolling. Action.
What, this? Nah, man. I easy little piece. I 1, 2, 3 this, man. You don't know.
Cut. Alright. So, you're pushing the door now. You do know that I can't do the session with you in those jeans, right? And I say something. Jono.
God, the fight.
Rolling. And action.
You know that I can't do the session in those jeans, alright?
You know?
Come let me change it.
Ah, piece of 5 you put on this, you know, man. I just a flat the killer, so, man.
I can do it.
What?
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Go water run from my face, I'm not doing nothing.
Take that thing there. I shot at the house. So we're going to use that as the transition. So we go to our wheeling in, we squat away to a shot at the house, and come back inside with chair wheeling out. Everything.
Come here, sweat, I'm not doing nothing. Push up the door.
Yeah.